What's up, y'all? So this video is actually going to be me installing hair from the first vendor on my vendors list. If you've already bought the list, then you know that the vendor on the list, the first vendor, is actually a virgin hair vendor. And if you want to learn more about drop shipping and want to start making money from home, leave a comment below. So as you can see, this lace is a full lace and it's not like a T-part lace at all like all these other vendors start selling. So what I did was I wanted to go ahead and start my bleach and developer, go ahead and starting mixing. You should get a consistent mix so it's not too watery and not too solid. I recommend that you use gloves. I didn't, but it would help so you don't get your hands burned. I did go ahead and add the bleach to the lace and let it sit for a bit. And the knots on this wig actually really bleached really fast, which is a good thing. And it lifted really fast. You want fast bleaching knots. I did end up over bleaching, but it came out really, really good. So what I did was after I washed it out, I didn't even really wash the full wig yet, and it's because I was rushing, but the hair looks so good. The curls look so full with this body wave wig. Now it's time to go ahead and get the fun stuff started, which is the actual install. So what I'm doing, I'm applying my glue, going ahead and drying that baby down, making sure I'm sizing up my hairline of my wig with my wig cap. I heard in the y'all, I went to Atlanta with this install for my birthday, and I heard that the clubs are hot, and they wasn't lying. So I was on here trying to make sure I lay that glue down at least 2 to 3 times and that it was dry enough before I put my wig on, because I heard, yeah, they don't play out there, y'all. Y'all don't sleep in Atlanta. So I wanted to make sure I was not one of them girls where my lace is lifting, baby, because we don't want that. We don't want that for the birthday. So as you can see, you see me adding a couple more layers here so I can make sure that it's dry and good to go. Fun fact as well, you guys, you don't even have to add wait for your glue to dry. You don't. You can continue to go ahead and lay your wig. You just got to make sure you know what you're doing. For more tips, follow my YouTube channel. So right now we're just adding our makeup foundation of our color, and then we added our wig band on after we laid the lace down. We want to make sure that baby is dry before we start picking with it. So now here you see me below drying the hair. Y'all, this hair is so beautiful. Fun fact about my vendor, she actually has really great customer service. And also she also has overnight shipping, so she's very fast with communication. She responds very professional. It's like you can text your hair vendor anytime and have them send you some hair. Like if you need it in a day, she'll answer you back and get it together. So I ordered this though. I had time to order, so this took about 4 days to get to me total, but it was amazing because it was also customized with the peekaboo highlights as well. So here, what y'all see me doing is cutting the lace. I'm going ahead and starting to get this right. I want to make sure that my lace is matching up with my ear tabs and everything is looking how it's supposed to look. But yeah, y'all, she's very convenient if y'all need some overnight shipping hair. For example, I had a birthday dinner to be at by 7 o'clock. I had a nail appointment by 6:30. Nail appointment was right next to my dinner. So I was in a rush with this install, but I wanted to include y'all. I ended up adding baby hairs